Here's the steam cleaner that saved my sink. Thanks to the brand for sending it to me so that I could make this video and tell everyone about their product. This sink has discolored in a couple of places, and I already got one of the biggest places off with this steamer. I'm amazed. I've tried everything on there. I was thinking I was going to have to buy a new sink, but this seems to be working now on this part, which is what I couldn't get loose before. I added a little scraper. It's like something sitting on the surface. Sink material. I turn it off so we can see it. Yeah, it's almost gone. Oh, look at that. It's coming off completely. As I scrape, it's going to all come off. Oh my goodness, I don't believe it. I think I'm going to have to get a cloth and get the rest of it. But I think it's all loose. This is amazing. This is a portable steam cleaner. Let me tell you about it. This is the main tank. It's got a handle that folds down like that or up for you to carry it. And you fill it with water. Here on the top, this black part opens up and there's a hole. And it takes 1,250 milliliters of water, which is about 5 cups, I believe. So you put the water in and then you plug it in. It has a nice long cord, so it can reach pretty far from the unit, and the electrical cord is not as long, so you may have to move it around. It has all these parts that come with it, so it takes a while to figure all this out. Here's a pair of gloves that you wear so your hands won't get burned. And here's a round brush that fits on. This part, this trigger part, stays on. But if you want to add any accessory, they all go on the same way. And you just line it up with the little holes and twist it, and now it's on. And it won't come off because it's locked on there. So you don't have to worry about it flying off while you're using it. If you want to clean something that's fabric, there's these little covers that you put on, and there's, I believe, 3 of those, 2 or 3. I thought there were 3, but I only see 2 right now. Anyway, also on this is a squeegee if you want to clean windows. So you would just attach this onto it the same way we did the other part, and then twist it and it's on there. You can do windows or anything vertical that you want to clean that this squeegee would work good on. You just have to experiment and try these out. Let's see what else we have. We have 2 little brushes like this, and we have have two little brushes with wire bristles like this. They're just alike. Then we have this scraper and a smaller scraper and a larger scraper. We have this extension that can go on there, and we have an extension, so you could put the extension on and then you could put any of the other attachments. That keeps your hand away from the steam, farther away from the steam, so that can be for safety. Also got two little microfiber towels, because after you steam clean, oh, here's the third little cover. After you steam clean, then there's water to wipe up and the dirt, of course. So you can use these little claws and for cleanup. All of this stuff is in this bag, which also has this wire thing, which I'm not sure what that is yet. I haven't found it. And it has, I believe it's 4 little O-rings. If you need an O-ring for one of the attachments, I don't know which ones have them yet, but I've got the 4 rings if I need them. So that's everything that comes with it. So you fill it with water, then you plug it in and you press this power button, and then you press either the plus or minus button. When it comes on at first, there will be a number 1 light up here. Then you can hit the plus button. Each time it will go up 1 more number until it gets to 6. So, and 6 is the highest steam. So, and if that's too much, you can adjust it down with this minus button, 1 number at a time. So that's how that panel works. I've cleaned my sink on my bathroom sink. I thought I was going to have to buy a new sink because I just could not get this, what looked like dirty marks off. I tried everything and the steam cleaner took it off. I'm so glad. I didn't want to have to get a new sink, but it sure bothered me because I don't even know what it was from, you know. These marks just appeared. So anyway, that sold me on this thing. I mean, that was something. I was so amazed. So it's got this nice book. It shows you every attachment and how to pair different ones together. It's very comprehensive. So just study the book before you start. Because if you just go in and try to use it, it's better to be armed with this knowledge first. That's how I would like to put it. But I've been successful now, so I'm so grateful for this. And you might like to try one for yourself.